Hey there, welcome back and thank you for watching. In this video I'm going to explain differential. Now, differential has to do with the ailerons, and by default the ailerons go up and down by the same amount. So when one goes up, the other goes down, and they go up and down an equal amount. Well, the problem with that is the down elevator produces more drag than the up elevator. I'm sorry. The down aileron produces more drag than the up aileron. And that, what happens is like, for example, if I try to turn right, this aileron goes down, okay, and that aileron goes up. So when that happens, this wing is producing more drag, and it causes the airplane to not turn in a coordinated fashion. So to fix that, you can add rudder, which is fine, and you might need to. But there's another really good fix, which is differential. And so what differential does is when this aileron goes down, it doesn't go down as far as the other aileron goes up. So in order to do that, I'm going to go into the settings here. Notice I got the airplane and the radio already on. And just below DR and Expo, because we told this radio that we had two channels for the ailerons, there's a function called differential. So I'm going to select that, and right now you see the differential is inhibited. So I'm going to change inhibit to on, and then we're going to select how we want it to work. You could have a differential for each of the flight modes, or you can just select, in this case I'm going to select the differential to be on all the time, okay? And so I'm going to have the switch just be, there's no switch involved. This means that this differential function is on at all times. Okay? And so now we have to select how much percentage do you want the differential to be. Normally I choose 35, 40%, somewhere in that range. And so for this small airplane, I'm going to choose 35%. So I'm going to click this, and I'm going to wind this up to 35%, and it's going to be a positive number. By being a positive number, okay, if I move the ailerons, okay, actually I'll try to show you differently here, okay. I'm going to go back to 0, okay. So now I'm going to move the aileron, the left aileron is going down, the right aileron is going up. And so now as I move this in a positive direction, okay, maybe you can't see it, but I can see, okay, I just hit the button by mistake, okay, but I can see as I move this more positively, the down elevator is going less. Okay, so I'm going to set it for, oops, missed. So I'm going to set it for 35%. And so now that elevator, I'm sorry, that aileron is going down 35% less than the other aileron is going up. And the same is true in the other direction. So that just allows the plane to turn in a coordinated direction without the aileron that goes down producing more drag than the aileron that went up. So 35% is where I'm going to start. After first or second flight, I'm going to see if it makes a difference to move it up to 40 or 50%. 35% is probably the minimum I'll use. And we'll just see how it flies with that. So I think it's a good solution for producing coordinated turns without you having to put in a lot of rudder. So it's a very good solution. And during one of the last videos, probably on maiden flight number 2, which I always try to tape, I'll determine whether the differential setting works well. So that's a quick definition and how you set up differential on the DX7. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.